Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just sharing basic information about a project called Lord of Memes, Rise of the Meme Lord, where every meme bows to the Lord. The meme world was chaos, frauds, apps, dogs, and degenerates fighting endlessly. From the digital lows emerges the meme character holding the spark of true meme energy. The moment he stepped forward, colors exploded, signaling the rise of the Lord of Meme. Here you can join the empire right here, and you can also buy these tokens right here. First, we have the meme multiverse. The meme lord didn't create memes, he liberated them. In his universe, every meme lives freely. From pappies to woojokes, but all channeled their power to him, the source of meme energy. Here can check it out some features like the meme liberation, true energy, digital empire. Next, we have the power of a meme energy. The meme lord has an SLR token, the meme energy tokens to fuel his growing empire. It flows through the metaverse, rewarding those who spread laughter and loyalty. You can check it out. The token symbol, the symbol is Lord token. Their total supply is 1 billion network Ethereum and their purpose is meme energy. Here you can see their contact address. You must copy their contact address, paste it on a wallet and buy these tokens. Next, we have the meme journey. Phase 1, the awakening. Once a forgotten doodle in the chaotic meme multiverse, our hero wakes up surrounded by pixelated chaos, realizing he is designed to rule the meme kingdom. Phase 2, the war of memes. Rival rise, other meme icons challenge him. From dog to Brett, everyone wants the throne, but he doesn't bark, he bites. Phase 3, bow down arrow. One by one, the rival meal, the meme universe now charts his name, his power becomes legend, and his token unstoppable. Phase 4, meme alignment. He realized meme aren't just battles, they are culture, rebellion, and art. He started creating his own meme villages where laughter is equals to power. Phase 5, meme burst expansion. He breaks the meme realm boundaries, enter the real world. Billboard, TikTok games, everywhere his face becomes the symbol of rebellion. Phase 6, the meme empire, now a legend, not just a meme but a movement. The meme emperor stand atop of the digital world as a blockchain band to his well. This is an amazing platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Next, we have the meme empire lives. The meme lord's true power come from his people, the meme believer. Here you can see their social platform like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Dex is free and Dex tool. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account and further more platform. All kneel before the meme lord, and the bottom of the world lies peace, because laughter has won. Every meme bows, every joke equals eternity. The meme lord smile and the color fade into harmony. This is an amazing platform. I hope you liked the video. This video is not a promotional recommendation. I'm not encouraging anyone to invest. Always do your own research and verify contact address before interacting with any project. Thanks for watching. If you like simple breakdowns like this, feel free to subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye.